What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We are here in beautiful Las Vegas for the 2018 SEMA show. We are here at the West Gate where it all goes down at the convention center. Walking in, there's already, you can see behind here, people are drifting slingshots. There's a GoPro booth. There's already a Lambo. We've seen so much already just on the way here. Again, we're here on the first day. We got Ryan here with us. We got our buddy Wes. We're all trying to figure out where to go first. There's so much. There's 2 floors in the show, 3 or 4 different sections. I'm gonna see if I can't get up close and personal with the brand new JL parts that everybody is going to be selling. So guys, this is day 1, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Now, this guy's just going ham with the slingshot. Now this is some of the performance stuff that I was looking for. This is a Sprintech supercharger. I was actually reading the pamphlet that they have down here, and what's impressive is with the install, improvements including an estimated power increase of more than 55 to 65%. That's impressive for just a little bolt-on supercharger. And you can see here, they just have it on the base model. You see the supercharger standing up there on the top. Sprintech does make a lot for a ton of other vehicles, and actually I was considering them when I was considering getting a JK. I still want to walk around and try and find RIP superchargers, talk to them a little bit more, and see what other kind of performance parts and companies I can talk to while I'm here.
Let's get it.
Okay, if the AFE build of the JL here isn't impressive, how about this Challenger that's lifted on mud terrains? This thing's sweet, dude. I'm blown away. It's got a trail rated badge on it too. High clearance fender flares. I like how these angle out like this. Gives you a little bit more for the articulation on the wheel. Down below here, Viair air compressors fit nicely right there on the side. But so far, these are probably the Jeeps that have the most amount of armor that I've seen for the JL, you know, mounted on there as well. You can see 38s. I'm still making my way around the 4x4 area upstairs. You guys don't understand how massive SEMA is. I could film it and put it all in like an hour-long video, but honestly, there's so much Jeep parts here that you know, I'm just gonna post as much of the parts as I can. I know everybody's reaching out and they want to see all the new JL parts, but honestly, every big name company is dropping pretty much flat fender flares, tube doors. The Best Top actually has some really nice aluminum doors, and we're right here at Rock Crawler, and this is pretty much everybody set up. They're just flexing up on the booth. Have Ace Engineering doors. These are sweet because these are actually color matched. Really nice. Looks like they're running a spider shade on the top here. I recognize these mounts. And now this is one of the beers that I've been trying to find for the last 2 days, and it's Rip Superchargers. So after talking to the sales rep here at Rip Superchargers, I got a little bit more information for you guys. With the 8-speed automatic, they're still testing on the manual for myself, but with the 8-speed automatic, they're pushing 400 horsepower and over 300 foot-pound of torque, and that is just absolutely awesome. And you can see here, this is going to be their new coil pack for the 3.6 motor. Can't wait to get my hands on these and test these out as well. They will kind of look more like this, but they said right now this is the new product that they're releasing. These are the super coil packs. So this is another booth I really wanted to get to, and it's Bodyguard. They do a lot of, and we saw these the other day, of the steel parts. So they got the high clearance fender flares, and I kind of like how they're angled out here. Just helps with the articulation. Once you get your wheel up in there, kind of tucks up there, and they're really nice. They do the side steps and rock guards, the high clearance fender flares. They have really awesome bumpers, and one of the main things I like about Bodyguard is all of these plates you can take off and paint whatever color you want, so you can match your Jeep, or you can just leave them black. Here's the new rear bumper. Again, all of these gloss black pieces you can take off and mount. So paint them and make them whatever color you want. Looks like you guys can run some flush mount rigids or any other cube lights that you want down below here. So here's a special treat for you guys. I was hoping I would see one here at SEMA, and it's a Comanche. I know there's a lot of people that love these things, and even all beat up, you can fix them up, and there's just a whole cult following. Looks like they redid it, have a big touchscreen in there, 5-point harness, some huge Mickey Thompsons, 401350s. Really do like this roof rack. Really low profile, doesn't have to mount through the hard top, because you can see mounts to the drip rail, and there's space up front for a light bar. Doesn't add much to the vehicle, but just enough for some more storage on the top there, and just a really good looking Jeep. Alright, so we're here at Expedition 1. I ended up getting more information about this roof rack. We're going to talk to Ryan here a little bit more about some of the other things that they have. So Ryan, why don't you take it away?
Yeah, so it's made out of steel. This is our stubby core Trail Series, or no, Post Series 2 bumper. It's got an ability to put your winch in there, bring lights. We have different light cutouts you can have for certain lights. And yeah, so we have the stubby, this is the core. We have a Trail Series that'll go all the way out to the to meet the fender line there, so it's nice and clean. So if you got a bigger tire, you'll probably want something like this. 3/16. Yeah.
3/16 steel.
Our big thing this year is the roof rack. The roof rack, there's no drilling involved with that, so it just clamps to the gutter right here, and all the weight is distributed on the other corner here. So that's where all the weight is, and you can allow you have up to about 275 to 300 pounds dynamic weight, and static we're looking at about 500.
And you said you're going to be coming out with one for the 2-door as well. That'll be adaptable for the 4-door if you don't want to go all the way to the front, right? Yeah. And then you have, I'm assuming they're rock sliders as well.
Yeah, rock sliders as well. They go across the whole thing. And then we added these tread plates, so you know you don't slip around and lose your grip when you're climbing on. So
nice.
Another thing too is our rear swing out tire.
Oh, I didn't even check that out yet.
Yeah, we just created the SEMA, so it swings out with the door. With the tire there.
Nice.
And it'll lock in place. It's kind of a soft lock, so you can't pull it unless you push it. And you push this down here.
That's smart. I like that locking feature, because you definitely don't want a 40 coming back down on you.
No, it's all steel construction, so it'll take quite a beating. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. I'm interested in is the light bars that are behind the windshield up there. I really wish Mopar would come out with those because that's something I'm really interested in. And for people that think that's going to reflect, they're built into the visor up there, and I think that's just such a clean look. That way you don't have a 50-inch LED bar going all the way across the top. So we're walking around day 3 here. I've been filming everything, so it's honestly hard to film everything that's at the show. We still haven't seen a lot of it, and we probably won't even get to everything. You see Ryan over there standing next to some of these trucks. He's obviously looking at the Cummins over there, F350 here, and then there's the JL. So 3 days later, we saw all that we could. We actually have a flight to catch, but honestly, 3 days still was not enough to see everything in the show. I hope this video did somewhat justice of how much we took the time to look at, and I hope you guys are excited for all the new JL parts that are coming out. Alright, so we are clearly back home. I thought my camera was still recording for the outro. Apparently, my memory card filled up because I had filmed that much. I had over an hour and a half of footage. I edited it down for you guys. Honestly, this video is just a small snippet of everything that we could see at SEMA. We were there for 3 days and we still did not make it to everything. I'm pretty sure we missed one of the entire buildings. If you ever have the chance to go out to Vegas to check out SEMA, I highly recommend that you do. It's just awesome to see all the builds, the different companies out there, new products that are going to be showcasing, especially because this is such a new body style for the Wrangler. Other than that, it's just a huge car community, and you can pretty much pull anybody aside and just get lost in conversation for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can really tell people know what they're talking about, and it's just a huge passion for everybody. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. From what you guys were commenting on the last video, it looks like we are going to give away that JK Blackout Grill. at 5,000 subscribers. So let's keep that rolling, and at 5,000 subscribers, I'll be choosing one of you guys to give that away to. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, get down there, hit subscribe, leave me a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.